And so, like, for example, this is my team, and here are my players and all their stats, and each of them, when they play their games in real life, you get those points for the stats that they do, and then you go up against a different person each week, and then you win a week or you lose a week based on the category. So it's basically just a lot of number crunching, and I wanted to make it so that I could plan out what, based on my averages, what it looked like I was going to be getting for the week versus my opponent. So I changed it real quick to make it so that my simulation only has one player instead of 13, so that you guys don't have to watch me input 13 things. But basically, I just made a thing that it was in Python, which asks you for. So it says you want to load your team, edit, whatever. So if you were starting from the beginning, you would say new, and let's say our teams only have one player. For simplicity, you can just. So what I did is I made it very easy to go from ESPN to here. So let's say I was just doing John Wall. I put in his name, John Wall, figure out how many games he's played this week, which there are lots of things online with like matrices on the schedule. So let's say he was playing 3, and then I can just copy this right here, paste it in, and then now that's the first team, and then I put in my opponent's team. I would say new. Let's say he only had this guy, Lewis Williams. Put in the name. Let's say he was playing 3. Copy that, paste it in, and then it runs the simulation on all the stats and their based on their averages, what it looks like, your team total. So obviously if I had a bunch of players, they would all be listed here, and then these numbers would be the added totals of all of them. And then it says, my predicted result would be I would win 8 of those categories and lose 5 of them. And then I have a bunch of things where you can, test having different players in there or whatever. So yeah, that's it. It's just a fun thing to make, and it has really helped me with my team. I'm not winning my league, but I'm doing better, and it was definitely a lot of fun stuff to make. So that's awesome.